What is up, guys? North Digital Assets coming at you with another video. This video is going to be on HBAR, and I think I have a good one lined up for you today on HBAR. If you are an HBAR fan and you are serious about this bull run and you have some HBAR, please click subscribe down here in the bottom right hand corner. You can see my logo. Click it, click subscribe, or click subscribe below like normal. And before you watch the video, if you've watched my videos before, please smash the like button to help that algorithm that everyone is talking about. North Digital Assets, follow me on Twitter, 20 plus assets, including XRP, HBAR, VeChain, and CKB. This video, we are obviously covering HBAR. I had posted last night. I took a little bit of time, 15-20 minutes, kind of putting this together here, the way I'm seeing the market right now. Guys, some people might say, "Oh, you're a moon boy. You're just saying these crazy price predictions. You're just saying all these predictions." But to be honest with you guys, I'm not really feeding you any bullshit on this channel. I'm just showing you what is going through my mind, how I'm seeing the charts, what I think is going to happen. And lately, guys, over the last couple days, really, that's the time to just shut your emotions off and not be an emotional, fearful investor, because that's what really in this market gets you into trouble. Investing, buying and selling with emotion, with a fear of a coin running away without you, or a coin going down right after you buy it, etc., etc., etc. You get my point. This is the time you shut your emotions off. You invest in good projects. If you believe that we are in a bull market, which I believe we are, as I show in this picture, we are in the fifth wave of the Elliott wave theory of this bull run. And the fifth wave, you can see how short this is here. It's barely gotten going. So it's not even half done. So that's the way I'm seeing the charts. I kind of laid this out here. If you believe we're in a bull market, you buy coins that you believe in. You buy coins with good fundamentals. You buy coins that even have a lot of good speculation about them, because this is a speculative market, and you sit and you wait. I'm a macro swing trader on this channel. If that sounds like your style, please click subscribe down here in the bottom right hand corner. Click subscribe so you know when I release these videos on HBAR, when things start to get interesting. I'll let you know when I'm taking profits, etc. This is Bitcoin, by the way. This is the 2013 bull run, the 2017, top of the 2017 bull run. Here, we went 27% past the 2272, which was about 19,000. We went 27% past. The 2272 for this bull run is 199,000. If history repeats, that is where Bitcoin is heading, at least 199,000, if not 27% past, at $252,000 for Bitcoin. Anyways, let's dive into the HBAR chart. Enough of that. HBAR looks very healthy right now, guys. Very healthy, and it's held these last couple days very strong, even though there's some fear in the market. The fear and greed indexes came down more towards neutral. And Bitcoin and HBAR and VeChain all seem to have had similar movements. You basically here on the daily, if I zoom in here and get a little closer, this one wicked past the 55 EMA, but it's fine. It came back up, and its candle body closed halfway between the 20 and the 55, just like similar to VeChain, similar to Bitcoin. You wicked down, you back tested support on the 55 EMA, which is fine in a bull market. Just a pullback the last couple days, and now we are here. We are printing this green candle. HBAR is very healthy because you are continuing to print higher highs. Didn't want to draw that there. You are continuing to print higher highs and higher lows. And you can see that here. You have these lows where you just recently tested the 55 EMA on the daily on October 28th. You tested it here on October 10th. You tested it here on September 29th. And you just tested it here with some wicks. My point is, though, look, low, higher low, higher low. You're continuing to print higher lows, and you're continuing to print higher highs. HBAR looks to be very healthy here. Also here, this is definitely very interesting here on the RSI. If you can see this down here, I dropped this trend line here. And this, anytime you've seen the RSI come back to this trend line that I've dropped in, that would be a point of entry. If you do any of your own charting, that would be a point of entry. You could do this on tradingview.com, and you can just go to indicators, type in RSI, and then just click it, and then it'll insert an RSI for you, and you can see this trend. Anytime you're coming back down to this trend line,
that is an area of entry, which is basically right now not financial advice, but if you're looking to accumulate HBAR, it would be now. Anytime you're down here, coming down to test the 55 EMA, and you can see how this has held support. So as you can see, once you find support, typically on the RSI for HBAR, you bounce off this line and you start heading back up. That's what it's done every time here that it's found support. It had a bounce, and we're looking to get that bounce now here in the next couple days, it looks like. So that is good. For future reference here on HBAR, this is I have the Fibonacci here out on HBAR. And basically, you've back tested all these levels. You've back tested support on the 382 here. You back tested support on the 0.50 here. You have this wick and this massive wick testing the 618 as support. For the 786 up here, testing the 55 EMA right here, you tested the 786 as support. You've tested that as support. So the next battleground that we've been struggling and that we've been fighting, that we have not broken and back tested support, is 45 cents. It's the one which would be the previous all-time high from back earlier this year in the spring. Because when we broke through it before, we never back tested support. When we came back down, crashed right back through it. And that was when we peaked up to 57 cents. And then here, you never found a support. And here, again, resistance. So you have not gotten through that 45, found it a support, and then moved on. The next battlegrounds for future reference will be 62 cents. We will also be looking at, let's just move this down here. We will also be looking at 73 cents, 94 cents, and $2. $2 is where I think HBAR is heading. I'm going to start to take some profits up in this range here, and I will let you know that on this channel as I take profits. Will $2 be the top? Not sure. It could hit $2. I don't think it'll be the top. $2. Let's add 30% onto that. $2.66.66. There's 4 sixes in a row. The amount of sixes I've seen in the last 2 months in my life, the amount of 666 I've seen in the last 2 months in my life is just is just insane. I've never seen 666 that many times everywhere I go, wherever I look. Kind of crazy. And there it is again, 30% pass, which I've talked about in previous videos, to 6666 there. For price on HBAR. But yeah, I'll be letting you know later in this bull run when I am taking profit and when I am kind of exiting my position and what HBAR is doing. So HBAR looks very healthy. The stock RSI is cooling off. The RSI is finding support on this trend line I dropped in. This thing is finding support. I mean, look at this. If I extend this out, this thing's been finding support since July on this trend line. July, and it's an ascending trend line here. July it finds support. It finds support here, and then you know, it found it in June 20th, July 20th, and then look at all these points, just boom, 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 all the way through here. You're gonna look to bounce off that and get some momentum. Let's erase. Let's remove all drawings. Let us go to the 4 hourly. Reset the chart. See what we see here. So right now you can see all this correcting over the last couple days, and that is with Bitcoin. No matter what the fundamentals of your coin are and the speculation on your coin, etc., typically Bitcoin is going to drag you down with it. There are exceptions like Avalanche, and there are exceptions, but typically these coins are going to come back down. But it appears to be that there's some support through here on the 4 hourly. We have some support. This right here is this 39 cents, very supportive. It's been resistance in the past, but very supportive. Support all through here. We have some support through here that we've had recently. It's acted as all this resistance, but clearly we have flipped 40 cents to support, and we were over 40 cents for a while all through here. So that seems to be the new bottom for HBAR right now, is that 39-40 cent range. Even though it wicked down here to 37 cents, it found so much support that it was just a really long wick, and it maintained support there. HBAR's looking good. It's looking to go battle those areas next. 45 cents is going to be that next battleground that we actually need to break through 45 cents and actually find it a support. And that'll give us movement up to that next target in the 60-cent range. And that's when the party should get started anyways for altcoin season and for the bull run in general. The end of November and December is the most explosive times in crypto. And I believe we're still going to see that. Bitcoin could still be going to 98K this month, in my honest opinion. Not feeding you any bullshit on this channel. I'm just telling you what I see and what I'm thinking. So please smash the like button below, guys. Smash the like button if you're bullish on HBAR. I think HBAR will catch a lot of people off by surprise still. HBAR could go to $3, $4. Who knows? But that's what I'm seeing on the fibs right now, between $2 and $2.66. And that's what I have for HBAR. And that's going to be it for this video, guys. And we will see you in the next one. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. See ya.